Alright guys, this is the Dunk School blog, and I'm going to show you how to insert a post onto this blog. Basically, each post has a title, it has some text, it has a picture, has a little bit of text, kind of an intro into the video. So those are the main parts of a post, is the text, well, the title, the text, a picture, intro into the video, and then the video. And also, if we go back to the home page, just like every other blog, the latest post is at the top. Okay, so we have more posts. And the only thing that shows from each post on the home page is the title, the text, the picture, and the text intro into the video. So they have to read the rest of this entry to get to the video. Alright, so that's basically what we're looking at on the blog. So now let's go to see, let's see how we can update this with a post. Alright, so what I do, I go to YouTube. You can go to any video website, wherever you want to find good videos. If you have your own video also, you can use your own. What I'm going to do, basically, I'm going to go to YouTube. Found a good video here, 1995 McDonald's All-American Slam Dunk Contest. And I'm going to click on the embed over here. When I click on the embed, they give you options for background colors, show border. I like to show the border, and I choose the color gold because our website's black and gold. You can choose whatever color you want. And for the size, let's stick at 445 by 364. That's a good size for our blog. All right. So after you get those options, just click on the embed and copy it. Now we're going to go into the Dunk School blog dashboard. And on the left, you'll see the posts. So we're going to add a new post. And the title of my post is going to be, it's going to be the same title as the YouTube video. I can always change this later, and we'll talk about keywords a little bit later into this. So I'm going to copy that title. Oh, I got to go back to YouTube now and copy the embed. And I'll just, right now, just paste the embedded code into here. Just make sure that the post is on HTML and not visual. So we're working in HTML here because we're posting the code in here. Alright, and I just give a few spaces down. And what I do right above the video, right above this object code here, is I click on the More button. And what that does is everything under the More button is going to show on the post, but not on the home page. So everything above this right here is going to show on the home page. And what are we going to put up here is, I have it prepared already just to save time. I found this little blurb. You can type whatever you want. So here I have this text right here that I'm going to type. And my image is going to go right in here. So I'll leave a little space for that. And then right before the video, I'm just going to put a little intro into this. For example, who do you think took the contest? Just to leave a little anticipation before someone clicks to the video. So this space here is going to be for the image. How I do the images usually is I take a point in the clip that I'm going to have, like a point like that, where it has the guy dunking, and I snag it. I snag that picture. Now if you can go on Google Images, whatever you want, and you can find a good image about your video, kind of an intro to the video. You can use any picture you want. And what you do with the picture is when you click right here, add an image, you're going to have the ability to upload your picture from your computer. So once you have your picture, for this one, I'll just use one that I have already. I'll just use the jump higher to dunk just for an example. So I'll open that one, and I'm uploading this file into WordPress, and the picture looks good. I usually, just a side note, I usually have the width of the picture at 250 pixels. So if you mess with images or anything, just make the size about 250, about that. 250 is perfect if you can. So the picture looks good here, full size, 249, right around 250. And insert into post. That's the important button right now. insert into post. So here you see some more code. Don't worry about the code, you don't have to change anything with it. So that code is there for the image, this code is there for the video, and what you could do before you publish it, because that's going to go on the live site, is you could preview it. So when you preview it, it goes to the preview page, and this is looking pretty good. Just check as long as your picture is there, the text is all there, and make sure that your video is working, so you can even press play on it. And that's working. It's obviously a YouTube video. Okay, and actually two more important things. So when we go back to insert in our post, before we publish, I'm going to go down, down, down until you see all-in-one SEO pack. All-in-one SEO pack. We're going to put a title, description, and keywords. So the title can be the title of my post, that's fine. So I'll just copy that and go down to SEO pack, title, and put that in there. The description, actually I'm going to take the description from the top, what I typed at the top of my post right here. That's a pretty good description. It has a lot of keywords in it. If you're familiar with keywords, it's great. If you're not familiar with keywords, you don't really have to worry too much about knowing what you type in here. Just type the description from your post. And I'm going to type in, I have keywords prepared here. So I'm going to use these keywords, Vince Carter dunk, Vince Carter dunks. These are words that people usually type into Google to look for slam dunks. And since Vince Carter's in this one, it's a good idea to use his name. Now, the last thing, so that's SEO. So I'm finished with that. You just use the title, description, and keywords. And the last thing before we publish is you go to all categories here, and this is a video dunk contest. Now your video might be dunk training, it might be funny dunks, it might be like top dunkers like Michael Jordan or Vince Carter if it's just about them. I had one about LeBron James, my first video on there. You can go look at that. So I made it videos because it's a video, and also in the dunk contest category. So everything looks good. I'm going to publish this. And once you publish it, you can go check it out. First you want to check the home page and make sure the home page looks all good. So there's our, so I'm going to change that picture obviously a little later. I just use that as an example. The title looks good. It might be a little long. I might change that in the future. The text is okay. Picture, text, and I'll click on read rest of this entry. And that brings me right to the video. So this post looks good. And you can look here also category, dunk contest videos. That's all good. And this bookmark, it comes automatically, so don't worry about that. Mail this post. So basically, so that's how to insert a post onto the Dunk School or any other blog that uses just a basic video and limited text and an image. Alright, thanks for checking out the video, and for you guys working on the Dunk School, have fun, load it up. See ya.